Hey guys, welcome to another video. I hope everyone is aware about the AI tools ChatGPT. But do you know there is another tool, Google Bard, which have came in pictures. Compared to ChatGPT, it is more fast and provide more accurate result. You can search any kind of queries and get the solution. So how you can use this tool? For that you have to go to the Chrome and search Google Bard. Okay. And just click on the first link you get on your screen. And here you have to take your try. So I'm just gonna click on try bird. Okay. Once you click on try bird, you have to accept the term and policy of the Google. Okay. Just scroll it down, accept, and I agree. Fine. Then you have to continue. Bird is an experiment. So continue it. And here you have to enter the prompt. Same as ChatGPT, you have to enter your prompt over here. I'm just gonna enter one prompt, how to be a programmer. Okay. So it will provide me the correct result or the correct answer how to be a programmer. You can see, you can follow these steps to become a good programmer. Okay. So you can search any kind of query over here. Compared to ChatGPT, it is more fast. Okay. You can see it provided me very fast and accurate result. I'm just going to search another question. Write a program in Java for let's take it to sum. Okay. So it is more fast as compared to ChatGPT. Okay. You can see the to sum problem. So also it has provided me the comments as well and the source of that file. Okay, my question source. So if you want, you can copy from source as well. Okay, and if you like this content, you can click on like or dislike option over here. If you want to copy the content, you can click on copy. Okay, and if you want to change the prompt, you can easily type any other questions and get the solutions. What is ChatGPT? So you can see ChatGPT is an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI and released on November 2022. Okay, so it has completely provided me the details of ChatGPT. You can research any kind of questions. You can write any articles from here. Okay, I'm just gonna ask another question. Source code of Airbnb. Okay. You can see it doesn't reply me. It has not provided me the source code of Airbnb. Okay. So it is completely restricted and you are not going to get any kind of source code from here. It is just for text generation. You can generate any kind of text. If you want, you can export your response or like, dislike. You can click on use microphone and put your audio and get the solution. Allow the permission and you can speak anything. Write a program in Java. Okay, and process it. So you can see it has provided me the solution of program in Java. Okay, hello world program. So it also process with audio. You can ask any question with your audio as well. Fine. It is very useful. You can reset your chat from here. Click on reset and it will clear all your chats. If you want to make your screen full size, you can click on 3 lines and it will be full size. Okay. So the best feature of this is you can process your audio and get the codes or any kind of problems. Easily you can get any kind of solutions from here. Okay. If you have any kind of problem, you can put out your audio here and get the solution for all your problems. Okay, this is the best feature which I like, which is not in ChatGPT as of now, but if you are using GPT-4, then you can get these features as well. But compared to ChatGPT, it is very good and fast responsive. So if you like this video, hit on the like button, and if you're new to this channel, you can subscribe this channel, and if you have any queries, you can comment down below. See you in the next video.